Thinking about powering your RV, cabin, boat, shed, or backup battery system with solar energy? Buying the right solar kit can save you time, money, and installation headaches. Today we're reviewing the Renogy 400W 12V Premium Solar Kit, a complete package that includes 4 100-watt solar panels, a 40 MPPT charge controller, Bluetooth monitoring module, mounting hardware, fuses, cables, and installation accessories. But is this one of the best complete off-grid solar kits available in 2026? Let's find out. The Renogy 400W Premium Kit is designed for users who want a complete solar solution without buying every component separately. It's ideal for RVs, camper vans, cabins, boats, tiny homes, workshops, emergency backup systems, and off-grid battery charging. Since everything required for installation is included, it's especially attractive for beginners entering the world of solar energy. The kit supports 12-volt battery systems while offering room for future expansion depending on your setup. Let's start with the power generation. The kit includes 4 premium 100-watt monocrystalline solar panels, providing a total maximum output of 400 watts under ideal sunlight conditions. Monocrystalline panels are known for their high efficiency and long service life, making them suitable for year-round outdoor installations. The included 40 MPPT charge controller is a major upgrade over basic PWM controllers. MPPT technology automatically tracks the panel's maximum power point, allowing more efficient battery charging while minimizing energy loss. One of the biggest advantages of this package is the included accessories. The Bluetooth monitoring module allows users to monitor charging performance directly from their smartphone through Renogy's mobile app. The kit also includes mounting Z-brackets, tray cables, adapter cables, fuses, and connection hardware, reducing the need for additional purchases. Having a complete installation package makes setup significantly easier for first-time solar users. The controller also supports multiple battery types, including AGM, gel, flooded, and many lithium battery systems. In real-world use, the Renogy 400W kit performs exactly as most users expect from a premium off-grid system. Under good sunlight conditions, the panels provide reliable charging for battery banks used in RVs, cabins, boats, and backup power applications. The MPPT controller helps maximize charging efficiency throughout the day, especially during changing sunlight conditions. The Bluetooth monitoring feature adds convenience by allowing users to check battery status and charging performance without physically inspecting the controller. Overall, the system provides dependable renewable energy for a wide variety of off-grid applications. So, is the Renogy 400-watt 12-volt premium solar kit worth buying? If you're looking for a complete, high-quality solar starter kit that includes premium components and intelligent charging technology, this is one of the strongest options available. With 400 watts of solar panels, a 40 MPPT controller, Bluetooth monitoring, and all the necessary installation hardware included, it offers excellent value for both beginners and experienced off-grid users. While installation still requires basic electrical knowledge, the included accessories make the process much simpler than assembling a system piece by piece. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of solar equipment, renewable energy products, RV accessories, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.